Remove the cartridge from the Delacamp jig and place it on the workbench with the drum facing upwards. Carefully remove the contact end cap from the cartridge and place it aside. Rotate the cartridge 180 degrees and remove the 4 screws securing the gear housing end cap. While holding the opposite end of the cartridge, remove the gear housing end cap from the cartridge. Carefully separate the 2 sections, place the toner hopper inside the black bag supplied. Remove the screw holding the drum axle. Remove the axle. Lift the drum by the small gear and pull the drum from the bearing hub. Remove the PCR from the PCR saddles. If you are going to reuse the PCR, clean it with a lint-free cloth and water. In order to remove the wiper blade, pull the OEM sealing foam material away from the wiper blade. For the HP 4300 printer, this extra step is required. Using a Dremel with a cutting bit, cut away the retaining wall that prevents the wiper blade from being removed. Remove the 2 screws holding the wiper. Remove the blade. Dump the waste toner from the hopper. Clean the hopper using dry compressed air or a vacuum. Apply Delacamp Shore Lube to the new wiper blade. Allow it to dry and place the blade onto the waste hopper. Install the 2 screws that hold the blade in place. To seal the area around the wiper blade, use the Delacamp Superior Flexible Sealant. Apply between the edge of the blade and the cartridge, making sure it is also applied to the ends of the blade. Clean the PCR saddles using a swab and alcohol. Apply new conductive grease to the black contact saddle. Install the cleaned PCR. Unpack the new drum and install it into the cartridge by first sliding the drive gear into the bearing hub carefully without touching the drum surface. Locate the other end. Install the drum axle end plate and the screw that holds it into position. Make sure the contact plate sits flush with the end of the waste hopper.